home sweet home. There is so many birds inside this. That's their home. We have to protect nature. If nature go, everything goes. You see, there was so many noise. Now they're seeing me. Now they went quiet. You see? You see the movement? Yes. Now they're becoming protective. You see, that's their parents, I think. Even jobs, automation, take the job, people don't have money, so they abandon their pets. So pets are getting hurt as well. So we have to use our intelligence. I consider myself a bright, pragmatic guy, bright-minded. So people like me must be protected, so we protect everything else. Thank you so much. God bless you. Have a good day. Bye. There's so many birds inside. They were making lots of noise. Now they see me, I think.